Okay, solving two-step equations is going to be similar to one-step, except you just have an extra step. So the thing to remember with solving two-step equations is that you're doing order of operations backwards. So most of the time you have to do your addition and subtraction first, and then you do your multiplication and division. Again, there's some exceptions and we'll get to those. But our goal is still the same. Use inverse operations, right? For rules, if you do something on one side, you got to do it to the other, or our goal is to isolate x. So example 1, 2x minus 3 equals 15, or equals negative 15. Okay, so this is farther from the x, so we're going to take care of this first. The opposite of subtracting 3 is to add 3, so I'm going to add 3 to both sides. 2x equals negative 12. Okay, and remember, a number right next to a letter means we're multiplying. The inverse of multiplication is division, so we're going to divide by 2. X is going to equal negative 6. So again, just like one step, just a little bit extra work. Number 2, x divided by 4 plus 2 equals 7. Okay, so same thing, I'm going to move this 2, so subtract 2 or add negative 2. Again, I'm always going to add the negative choice just to help me with integers. 7 minus 2, or 7 plus negative 2 is 5. When we're dividing by something, the inverse of division is multiplication, so we're going to multiply by 4. X is going to equal 20. Okay, so that's two-step. Let's get to one that's a little bit more complicated. Let's go 5x minus 3x equals negative 26. Okay, this one has x's, two different x's on the left. So we're going to do something called combine like terms. When we combine like terms, we only can add or subtract things that have the same variable. So we can combine 5x minus 3x. 5x minus 3x is 2x. They're on the same side, so you don't have to worry about doing stuff on both sides there. We're just simplifying that. Equals negative 26. We're going to divide by 2. X is going to equal negative 13. Okay, let's go fraction. Let's go 2/5 x minus 4 equals negative 8. Made this one up on the spot. We'll see how this one works out. All right. So we're going to add 4 to both sides. 2/5 x equals negative 4. Again, when you have a fraction right next to the variable, you're multiplying. So in order to do division, it's the same thing as multiplying by the reciprocal. So we're going to multiply by the reciprocal. Another word for reciprocal is multiplicative inverse. So we're going to multiply both sides by 5/2. To change this to a fraction, we put it over 1. These reduce each other out, and you're left with x on the left. Negative 4 times 5 is negative 20. 1 times 2 is 2. And then 2 can go into negative 20 10 times, so x equals negative 10. And that is two-step equations for you.